For your Saxon math lesson today, boys and girls, remember I told you yesterday, take your linking cubes and put them together so they look like this. You want to make sure all the sides line up evenly because you're not going to use this to count with, to subtract with. You're not going to use it to measure with. You are going to use it like a ruler today, boys and girls, to help yourself draw line segments. What is a line segment? So that is something new that we haven't done before. So I'm going to show you what a line segment is. I'm going to draw a dot here and draw a dot here. This is very important. So between those two dots, I'm going to connect them with a line. So why don't I just call that a line? Well, in math, if you have a dot here and a dot here that's connected with a line, you call that a line segment. It's not just a line anymore. When you have those dots at either end, you now have a line segment. Okay. Now on this page, what you need to do is you need to draw line segments for your own name. So there's no line there, if you'll notice. So I'm going to draw two dots. I'm going to put my linking cubes there, right up next to the dots where I can still kind of see them. I'm going to take my pencil and run it along the edge there. And now I have a line segment to write my name on. So if you are having trouble holding this and running your pencil along there at the same time, or if this is moving, that can happen when you're first learning how to do this. Ask somebody in your family to help you hold this and to help you do that line. And if you make a mistake, just erase it and do it over again. All right, so I'm going to go down to date and put two dots. And you could even have someone in your family help you put maybe the dots in the right places too. So I'm going to hold that with my other hand. And then I'm just going to run my pencil right along there. Okay, and now I have my second line. So if you need to pause the video while you get your two lines drawn, line segments rather, go ahead and pause the video. All right, I'm going to continue on and I'm going to write Grumpy Cat's name here. And there's enough room on this line for me to write his first name and his last name today. And then today's date is April. So that's a capital A. And then lowercase p, R-I-L, and today's the 3rd, so I'm going to write a 3, comma, and I eyeballed my finger space, but there's a finger space there, and then there's my comma, 2020, or 2020, so that's today's date. All right, now the next part is going to be fun. So do you see how A to E, the line is drawing? The line is drawn for you. So what you want to do is you're going to be drawing the lines in order. So I am going to match up my edge between my A and my B there, okay? And I'm going to draw a line, A to B, okay? And then I complete line segment AB. So that's the name of that line segment. Now I'm going to draw line segment BC. And what we're doing here is part of geometry. I don't know if you've heard that word before, but that's another part of math called geometry. So A to B, B to C, and then that's BC line segment. Now I'm going to draw line CD line segment. So let's see if you can see that. So I've got the dots kind of showing, okay, CD, okay. And now I need to draw line segment DE, okay. And that's going to go like that. And when you're done, you've drawn a decagon. Okay, so you may have not heard that word before, but a decagon is a 10-sided figure. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. An octagon is an 8-sided figure. A decagon is a 10-sided figure. And in this case, our star is a 10-sided figure. So when you finish that, give yourself an exit ticket. Well done. That was a fun activity. I really enjoyed that. I hope you did too.